April the 20th in the greenhouse. I planted these seeds on the 12th of April, and as you can see they're doing quite well. Some haven't come up yet, but that's fine. And I've got a variety of things going on here. Those are spring cabbage, those are tree cabbage, and those two haven't come up yet. And over here we've got some Pak Choi coming. I always like Pak Choys, such a ready crop and so good for you. It's part of the cabbage family, or you wouldn't look at it think it to know it, so you need to treat it in a very similar way. What have we got there? Oh, turnip greens, yes. So they'll be, you don't grow them for the turnips, you grow them for the greens. Cilantro hasn't come up, that's not surprising, and then the kale has come up, but I've planted a different kale in there. The first one didn't seem to be wanting to do much. I've got some more mizuna coming up there, and the purple basil I'm not very keen on. That's not done an awful lot. Squash will probably take a while to come through. And last summer I planted some other things in with these pepper plants, and they're coming up. So I'm not quite sure what they are, because I didn't label them, because of course I knew what they were going to be, didn't I? And of course now I don't, because unless I go back through my notes where I may or may not have written them down. Now this thing growing here, the reason I've got so many yellow things with fruit flies on is that unfortunately I left a packet of compost out over winter, and it seemed to get infested with fruit flies. So when I planted up everything the first time, everything came in with fruit flies. Yeah, so this little thing growing there and that little thing growing there, I think maybe turmeric. I'm hoping it's turmeric. I know I did plant some in some of these pots last year. The I don't know if this is the pink or the red celery. It's actually doing quite well, and quite looking forward to getting that outside. The calabrese is also almost ready to go out. I've already taken out some of the artichokes at the back of there, and they will go out a bit later. I'm just sort of hedging my bets on that. So yes, we're doing quite well. I'm getting a nice crop of various things, and things are looking good.